Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to make your home feel bigger and more organized? Today we're sharing smart Amazon finds that help you save space, reduce clutter, and organize every room. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the MSHOMELY Bed Sheet Organizers, a simple way to keep your linen closet neat and organized. Each organizer stores a complete sheet set, including the fitted sheet, flat sheet, and pillowcases, so everything stays together in one place. The sturdy design helps protect your bedding from dust and keeps it looking neat, while the clear viewing window lets you quickly find the set you need. If you're tired of messy linen shelves, this is an easy upgrade that makes a big difference. Number 2, the Vtopmart 4-pack Stackable Bathroom Organizers, a smart solution for keeping your bathroom neat and clutter-free. The clear design makes it easy to see your skincare, makeup, hair products, and toiletries at a glance, while the pull-out drawers give you quick access to everything stored in the back. The stackable design helps maximize vertical space, making these organizers perfect for under-sink cabinets, bathroom countertops, or linen closets. It's an easy way to keep your daily essentials organized and within reach. Number 3, the Amllas 10-pack Stackable Shoeboxes, a great way to organize and protect your shoe collection. The clear design lets you see every pair without opening multiple boxes, while the magnetic drop front doors give you quick and easy access. Their sturdy, stackable design helps maximize closet space and creates a clean, custom closet look. They're perfect for sneakers, dress shoes, heels, and everyday footwear. Number 4, the YAASHEEN Under Bed Storage with Wheels, a smart way to take advantage of the unused space under your bed. It's perfect for storing seasonal clothing, extra blankets, shoes, toys, and other bulky items while keeping them out of sight. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to slide the storage bin in and out, and the sturdy construction helps protect your belongings from dust. It's a simple space-saving solution that's perfect for bedrooms, apartments, and dorm rooms. Number 5, the 3-section rolling laundry sorter with 2 drawers, a laundry room upgrade that makes wash day much easier. The 3 removable compartments let you separate lights, darks, and delicates before laundry day, saving you time and effort. 2 additional drawers provide extra storage for detergent, dryer sheets, socks, and other laundry essentials, while the sturdy wooden top gives you extra space for folding clothes or storing baskets. The rolling design makes it easy to move wherever you need it. All products links are in the description below. Number 6, the DIMJ Clothes Drawer Organizer, a simple and affordable way to keep your drawers neat and organized. It's perfect for sorting underwear, socks, bras, leggings, t-shirts, and other everyday essentials, so you can find what you need in seconds. The foldable design saves space when not in use, making it a practical storage solution for bedrooms, closets, dressers, and dorm rooms. All products links are in the description below. Number 7, the Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser, a simple upgrade that makes laundry day cleaner and more convenient. It keeps your laundry detergent neatly stored and easy to dispense, helping reduce spills and countertop clutter. The modern design looks great in any laundry room, while the easy pour spout makes every load of laundry quick and hassle-free. It's a small change that can make a big difference in keeping your laundry space organized. Number 8, the Lifelongpal Narrow Storage Cabinet, a smart solution for making the most of tight spaces. Its slim design fits perfectly between appliances, beside the washer and dryer, or in narrow bathroom and kitchen spaces that usually go unused. The multiple shelves provide convenient storage for toiletries, cleaning supplies, pantry items, or laundry essentials, helping you keep everything organized without taking up extra floor space. Number 9, the Laiensia Double Rod Garment Rack, a practical storage solution for anyone who needs extra closet space. The double hanging rods give you room for shirts, jackets, dresses, and pants, while the bottom shelf is perfect for shoes, storage bins, or luggage. Whether you're organizing a bedroom, laundry room, dorm, or walk-in closet, this rack helps keep your clothes neat, accessible, and wrinkle-free. Number 10, the Kalrin Over-the-Toilet Storage Rack, a smart way to add extra storage without taking up valuable floor space. The multi-tier shelves fit neatly over most standard toilets, giving you the perfect place to store towels, toilet paper, toiletries, candles, and bathroom decor. Its sturdy design helps keep everything organized while making your bathroom feel cleaner, more functional, and less cluttered. Number 11, the Shelf Dividers Purse Organizer for Closet, a simple way to keep your handbags neatly organized and easy to access. The clear dividers separate each purse, helping them maintain their shape while preventing scratches and clutter. It's perfect for closets, shelves, and dressing rooms, giving your handbag collection a clean, boutique-style look without taking up extra space. Number 12, the Sweetcrispy Nightstand with 2 storage drawers, a stylish and affordable addition to any bedroom. The 2 spacious drawers provide convenient storage for books, chargers, remotes, and other bedside essentials, while the open top is perfect for a lamp, alarm clock, or your favorite decor. Its compact design fits easily into small bedrooms, apartments, and dorm rooms, adding both storage and style without taking up much space. All products links are in the description below. Number 13, the Univivi Over-the-Door Organizer, a smart storage solution that helps you make the most of unused door space. With multiple pockets, it's perfect for organizing shoes, toiletries, cleaning supplies, toys, snacks, or everyday essentials. Simply hang it over almost any standard door to create extra storage without drilling holes or taking up valuable floor space. All products links are in the description below. Number 14, the HomePekite Laundry Pod Storage Container, a stylish way to keep your laundry room neat and organized. It's designed to store laundry pods in one convenient place while protecting them from moisture and everyday clutter. The easy access lid makes laundry day quick and hassle-free, and its clean, modern design adds a polished look to any laundry room. Number 15, the ClearSpace Oversized Moving Bags, a durable storage solution that's perfect for moving, traveling, or organizing your home. These extra-large bags are ideal for storing clothes, bedding, blankets, seasonal decorations, and other bulky items while protecting them from dust and moisture. The reinforced handles make them easy to carry, and when not in use, they fold flat for convenient storage. If you enjoyed these Amazon organization finds, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart home and storage ideas, and check out all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching.